buddy?
Let's go to the bridge area.
You wanna go ferry port?
Yeah. Oh, I should have popped.
Life's a beach. Life's a beach, have some maples. Oh, it's like raining and hailing. What the fuck? These little shacks, I checked on the beach up to here, on these 3 shacks. But I didn't check those 2 big warehouses. That's a good idea. Oh, there's a vehicle close to me. Seems like he's driving past though. Yeah, he drove right past.
Whoa!
What's up?
This cargo boat is stopping here.
Whoa. Oh yeah, that moves like to the other side of the map, I think. Got a suppressor for a DMR if you need.
For which?
Sniper?
Sure.
Oh, we should get moving. Circle's coming.
You want to drop that suppressor?
It's right on the ground here. Cheek pad! Awesome, I'm happy I checked this place.
Nice.
Oh, here's a buggy right here. I think it's these places here. Oh, actually. Oh shit. Yeah. Or maybe just stay on the edge somewhere, because fuck, we don't know if it's which side of the island it's gonna be. Whoa!
What the?
Or we'll stop right here. Fuck, that sucks. I swear I heard people shooting over here too, so.
Well, here comes the vehicle.
There's a 6-time scope over here.
Got an 8-time.
Nice. They coming to me? There's a buggy that stopped over there. There's definitely a couple people over there. I think we got a vehicle approaching us. Oh, right in between them. Oh, I knocked one. Oh! Good shit, bro. I would loot them, but I don't know. I kind of do need first aids, though. Fuck, I'm going for it.
Okay, I'll try and watch.
None here. Where'd the other guy die? They only had bandages and shit? What the fuck? What's wrong with these guys? Whoa! Hello!
What up?
What up, what up? Just in that boom. Pop-ga. Pop-ga-ga.
Oh, on that mark where you pointed before, you guys.
You see, guys?
Yeah, 2 of them.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I hit another one, bro. Fuck.
Damn, I think I hit them each one.
Looks like they're getting fucked up. We're probably going to want to think about moving too, but we won't really know until we see the circle.
Yeah. Oh, far away over there, he's getting shot.
Oh yeah, I see some. Oh. Oh, he's behind a rock over there. Looks to be. Nice.
Killed.
Oh, he's dead?
Yeah,
Awesome.
just dropped.
You shooting at the flyer?
Yeah.
You never know, eh? You gotta go, buddy.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to get to one of these shacks up here. Oh, I see someone over there. Oh, I hit him. Oh, they're in a vehicle? Oh, they're in the fucking... Oh, they're in the big thing.
Uh-oh.
Careful, careful. Oh! Oh, of course. I jump out the window and I got shot twice. Careful. You got smokes?
No.
Let's get inside this house here. Oh, one bandage.
Oh.
Oh, he knows we're here.
Who is shooting me? I'm down.
Let's get upstairs maybe. Woo! Get upstairs.
Oh my god.
We gotta make a move. That's one. There's a wall here. Two others. They're out of the greenhouse. They're going right. They're running close to you, man.
Okay.
Woo!
Nice.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh man. We played that smart, bro.